Today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble an Xbox 360 wireless controller. First, what you need to do is go to the back, take out the battery pack, you're going to need a T8 screwdriver, T8 security, and then what you want to do is get this whole one underneath the barcode. Don't forget about this one underneath the barcode, and get this one, that one right there, there, right there, right there, and right there. And then you want to keep it like this so the buttons don't fall out, and just grab it. Once you got all the screws out, just take it apart. There, that's my tutorial on how to take apart an Xbox 360 controller.